Hey everyone, welcome back to Sidelines and Shorelines. This week's video almost didn't happen. As you might know, just last week we suffered a catastrophic loss of steering and we honestly thought our trip was completely sunk. But thanks to the crew at Georgetown Yacht Haven who jumped right in, diagnosed the problem, and got our steering repaired just in the nick of time, we were able to pull it off. Thanks to them, at exactly 7:15 a.m. last Thursday, we dropped lines and finally crossed the Chesapeake Bay for the very first time as a family. Our destination was the Maryland Sail 250 event in Baltimore. We got to check out just around 20 legendary international tall ships. Wow, they were really amazing, and got to take in some incredible jet maneuvers from the Blue Angels, the French jet team, the Red Arrows from England, as well as the Air Force Viper team. It was just crazy. But we got to celebrate 250 years of American freedom and had an absolute blast soaking in the history in what I would consider is probably one of the most underrated American cities. If you haven't checked it out, do yourself a favor. But when we returned home on Sunday, we finally felt it. It was our real first taste of boating success on our boating journey. And it's been a real wild ride getting here, but man, it's been worth it. So this is how it all went down.
So Rick's keeping the boat clean. We'd like to use this cleaner and air freshener called Myers.
Myers Clean Day Multi-Surface. This video is not sponsored by Myers, but
it could be. Hi Myers.
We'll throw a link to it on Amazon if we get a chance.
And what's the other scent that we use?
Lemon Verbena.
Lemon Verbena.
Spray. So we've got acorn and lemon. Sounds pretty disgusting, but
by themselves they smell very good.
Doesn't smell like a chemical zoo down here then, but
looks good, Rick.
So the good news is we're off to Baltimore tomorrow. Yay. Early, because there's a small craft advisory as the morning gets on, early afternoon, because Bay is going to warm up a little bit. It's going to be a little bit of chop and a little bit of gusts out there. So
well, we have to be in our slip by 11:30 anyway, because we don't want to interrupt the air show practice.
Nope.
So we are going to be leaving here at 7 o'clock, pulling out of the slip, and on our way to Baltimore.
And our new friend we haven't met yet, Natalie, over at Port Covington Marina, has called me 1, 2, 3. I think she's a little nervous about it, but she's been very generous in getting us a slip on a dock over there. We're anxious to meet them. We got 2 other marinas called us. We were on the wait list, and we're very grateful. This is, people have used the word, this is a generational event. Thrilled to be part of a celebration of our country's freedom. Go America, right? Excited. So let's go. We're ready to cap this off. Good morning from the Bright Idea on the docks of Georgetown Yacht Haven. We are provisioned, we are packed, we are just about ready to depart for Port Covington in Baltimore for Maryland Sail 250. First time crossing the bay as a family on the newly decorated, look at that, the Bright Idea. Excited about that, and looks like a beautiful day. And what today is going to be pretty glassy this morning, so that's good news. Got the new Regal decals on the boat, and things are looking pretty great. And got a new steering kit on the boat. That's the big news. We had complete hydraulic failure on Friday last week, and today's Thursday. And thanks to our good buddies here at the marina, thank you Josh and crew for getting that done so quickly. And yeah, got new decorations on the boat. Got the social media presence on the boat there, and we are ready to go, ready to celebrate 250 years of American freedom in Charm City. So, see you soon.
Friday down on 10th Street. Salt in the
Got a whole boatload of seafood, right?
Crab steaming on a
Little
paper
bit of everything
tray,
here.
like
Delicious.
you know how the whole town ticks. Brick row houses, front step stories, screen door slam, kids call back. MTA rattle on the corner line, and the whole block sways in that track. Tell me where you go when the day runs thin. I keep coming back to this same old grin. Baltimore, Baltimore, hold me close, Baltimore, Baltimore, I can feel you in my bones. Baltimore, Baltimore, call my name, let it roll. Baltimore, Baltimore, you're mine. Friday down on 10th Street, salt in the air, shoes on the bricks. Blue crab steaming on the paper tray, you laugh like you know how the whole town ticks. Brick row houses, front step stories, screen door slam, kids call back. MTA rattle on the corner line, and the whole block sways in that track. Tell me where you go when the day runs thin. I keep coming back to the same old grin. Baltimore.
Mariners came in Dre's whites from 20 nations strong, laid out lines on Chesapeake and sang the whole day long. Mizzen mast kiss morning wind by city harbor blue, polished brass and coiled lines shone right through and through. Four sisters at the pier with curious glances wide, stab decks catching hard sun as glad hands cross the tide. Harbor of 20 flags, harbor of 20 flags, shared toast, shared smiles at the gangway line. Harbor of 20 flags, harbor of 20 flags, anchor chains, polished brass, and the sea was kind. Heard screaming jets above, left smoky trails in the sky. Then back below the rigging, mariners passed us by. Curious glances, glad hands, old stories came alive. Every coiled line, every knot kept the memory bright. Four sisters at the pier with curious glances wide, stab decks catching hard sun as glad hands cross the tide. And the sea was kind. Lay down lines one by one, hear the harbor sing. From the mizzen mast to the pier we raise one shining ring. 20 nations, one fair wind, one city holding fast. Mariners, take this day and let it gently last.
Houses, front step stories, screen door slam, kids call back. MTA rattle on the corner line, and the whole block sways in that track. Tell me where you go when the day runs thin. I keep coming back to the same old grin. Baltimore, Baltimore, hold me close, Baltimore, Baltimore, I can feel you in my bones. Baltimore, Baltimore, call my name, let it roll. Baltimore, Baltimore, you're my afterglow. Under the Enoch Pratt lights, you turn the page, then another page. Fish market talk, old jokes fly like they've been there for every age. At Camden Yards, the crowd gets loud, orange wave in the late night cheer. Then the harbor takes that restless breath, and you make the whole hard world feel near. Tell me where you go when the night comes in. I keep coming back to that same sweet grin. Baltimore, Baltimore, hold me close, seen hope on a chain link fence. I've seen strangers turn to family in a single borrowed glance. So if I wander far, if I lose my way, put that city on my tongue, and I'll find my way back. Baltimore, Baltimore. Hold me close, hold me close. Baltimore, Baltimore. I can feel you in my bones. Baltimore, Baltimore. Call my name, let it roll. Baltimore, Baltimore. You're my afterglow. Blue, 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 blue crabs, front steps, harbor wine, let it ride. Baltimore. I'm coming home tonight, what a bright idea.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send you this video and then I'm deleting it off my phone. I have almost no storage, so I'll get another minute and then I'm stopping.
Green grass faded, sun-kissed skin. Police got traded, where do we begin? Whistles gone silent, oceans call out.